Hey everybody, wander open roads with us to the Wilmington Thousand Trails RV Resort in Wilmington, Ohio for a campground review. Hey everybody, this is Rob.
Hey Miko.
And we're
Wander Open Roads.
Hey guys, thanks for checking us out. So we're out here with our RV and big truck, Beauty and the Beast, and we are checking out the Thousand Trails in Wilmington, Ohio. So this is about an hour outside of Cincinnati, Ohio. It's right off of Interstate 71, which is in between Cincinnati and Columbus. So really good location if you're traveling in that area. And of course, being Thousand Trails members, we decided to check it out, and ended up being a good place to stay. So just going over some of the details: free mail delivery, which is definitely good for your Amazon packages. All this right here that you're seeing, this is kind of up in the front. When you first come in, they have the check-in and the clubhouse, this basketball court, and then they have a gate with a code, so they have good security, which is good. Once you get in, this is looking at Loop A, so this is an example of one of the bathhouses, which, hey, you may have a leak in your bathroom, you may just want to, conserve water, whatever the reason. It's always good to have a bathhouse as a backup. They also have a game room here in Loop A, which we went and checked out, so yeah, it's a little table tennis, a little place, especially for the kiddies to hang out, which is nice, and it was air conditioned, which is a big plus. Have some mini golf here. Yeah, so one of the things that we did like about this campground was there were a lot of trees. You definitely felt like you were kind of in nature. So really pretty. Have all the snow up there, so you have some nice green grass. So there you go. There's your laundry facility that you control by the app on your phone. So modern technology there. That's a good thing for getting your laundry done. And yeah, this is the swimming pool and lake area. So this is out toward Loop C. So they have a nice catch and release lake. They actually had two lakes, pretty close together, and definitely a nice swimming pool area. They had a club, kind of a separate clubhouse for the swimming pool that was different from the one when you first come in the campground. So yeah, that's the pool clubhouse that we called it that, and definitely a nice place if you want to meet up with some people, and a nice pool area, which nobody was out there the morning that we checked it out, but some of the days it was pretty jam packed. Always nice to have outdoor theater. Bring your lawn chairs, your camping chairs there, and come out and check out a movie. And a nice playground that looked pretty much brand new. So it had a huge, just grassy area that you could, go out and run around and play ball with your dogs, things like that, or with your kids, either way. And of course, this is the catch and release lake with a canoe that you can use. You can go out and hang out on the water if you want to. So. Lots of nice options. There was also a walking trail kind of back behind there. So definitely a nice place to hang out. A little doggy park for the smaller doggies, and of course, like as I said, the large field for the bigger dogs to really get out and run and stretch those legs out. And all of this is kind of right there by the pool area. So definitely a nice, just really nice scenic area in nature, just to get out and just enjoy yourself. And usually in Ohio in the summertime is definitely not quite as hot as being down south, so that's a good thing. So we were in Loop A. That's where a lot of the people coming in and out were assigned, was Loop A. So this is coming from the clubhouse when you first come in for the check-in, and we're going to be passing right by the gate. So as I said, they will give you a gate code that you can use to get through that gate, and then just kind of giving you a ride around to check out and get a feel for the campground. So enjoy.
sure to check out our Amazon storefront for a curated list of RV camping and travel pics. Click the link in the description.
Hey, so if you like what you see, please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot. Thank you. So we gave this park 3 out of 5 stars according to our rating system. It really wasn't that close to any attractions per se. Tree cover was good in general, but not necessarily at the particular sites. And it definitely could have used, I guess, some more activities to do. But overall, it was a good place, and we would definitely stay there again. So if you have any other questions or comments about this campground, please let us know. And hey, thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure, and we will see you next time.
Wander safely.